What's up, everyone? We are on our way to California for the final round of the Lucas Oil Offroad Series. First time out shooting at Glen Helen, so hopefully it's a good time, get some good shots, and make it through the flight. Well, just got off the plane in Orange County here, heading to get the rental car. Be a nice drive through the city at night. Just heading out of the hotel for day one of racing on at Glen Helen Raceway. Should be a good day. It's going to be a hot one, but hoping for the best. First time shooting out to this track, so should be a good experience for me. Well, just got checked in here at Glen Helen, and wow, it is super windy. Got to head up to the media meeting here in about 10 minutes, and trying to find a good place to park because I'm not really sure where things are. Heading up to the grandstands to go to the media meeting right now. Out here shooting qualifying this morning. UTVs are up next. Very, very windy, but should be a good day shooting. Well, just got back to the car after qualifying. Gonna do a quick edit and head back out there. Got about an hour break until the race starts. Well, just finished editing in the car. Got some nice shots, posted some on Instagram, and delivered some photos to my drivers. I will say, even though it's windy and dusty and the track isn't so much to look at, if you actually just take a look at the surroundings here, it's actually very beautiful. I'll turn the camera around in a minute and show you. Out here for the first pro race of the day, Pro Light. Just finishing up with the UTV race, getting ready for the last race of the day here at Glen Helen. Pro 2 race coming up next. Feeling okay today. Shots aren't what I'm used to, but it's a new track, new environment. Hopefully doing the best I can and doing some good ones. Finish up the last race of the day here, the Pro 2 race. Good race, got some good shots. It's so dirty though, so have to get used to those shots. I'm used to a little cleaner photos, but we'll make it work. And heading back to edit in the car right now, and then grab dinner and head back to the hotel. Good day. me clean you off a little. Brand new GoPro got a little dusty today, so that's unfortunate, but holding up well. I just went through my photos from the day. Surprisingly good. I was a little worried while shooting them that they weren't the greatest, but they turned out okay, so I'm happy with that. And gonna take a little scenic drive up into the mountains right now, maybe take a few photos up there, but all in all, a good day, new track, good to go. Well, heading to the track. Final day of the Lucas Oil Offroad Series here in Glen Helen, California. So, should be a good day. Out here for the first race of the day, Pro Light. It's gonna be a hot one, but should be a good day. Short day too. Should be done by like 2 or 3 o'clock. Pretty crazy for me. Finish up the Pro Light race, do a little editing in my car. Didn't film that or anything, but headed out for the Pro Buggy race right now. Well, this is it. Final race of the weekend. A little sad. I wish there was some more races. There's supposed to be a cup race tomorrow, but they canceled that because they don't have a Pro 4 class and no fans, and so it's too bad, but it was a good weekend. Walking out to shoot the Pro 2 race right now. Well, that's a wrap of the 2020 Lucas Oil Offroad Series. First time out here at Glen Helen, really enjoyed it. A little challenging conditions, but did pretty well. So hopefully got some good shots. All done for the weekend. It was a good day. Time to head back to the hotel, fly out tomorrow. We'll see you later. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Just finished up with the media meeting at Glen Helen.
You knock.
See?